was years ago, the night they came. The streets were crawling with them. We had nowhere to go, nowhere to run. People were screaming, pounding on doors. We thought we wouldn't make it, but then we remembered the loft.
So many could have been saved. If only they had a way out, a way up to safety.
Zombies? Yeah, they're slow, but persistent. Good thing the Bcompact Folding Staircase is faster. One pull and poof, you're in the loft, chilling while they shuffle around downstairs. Nice. Don't delay. Order yours today at bcompact.com.